Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the essentials. Open Monkey and immediately check permissions so the camera can be accessed. Enable camera, microphone, and storage. Android and iOS show these differently, but the effect is the same. Once done, close the app fully and relaunch to let the system assign access. If prompted, grant permission dialogues. Don't skip them. This step avoids most permission-related failures and primes the app to display camera input when you proceed to the next configuration steps. Now you configure the camera inside Monkey. Choose front or rear depending on what you want. The app needs explicit selection. Next, set resolution to 720p or lower to reduce CPU load. This prevents freezes on older devices. Make sure to close background apps that may use the camera or GPU because resource contention causes black screens. If there's an internal camera selector, toggle it once to force reinitialization. This often corrects driver handshakes, so the preview appears correctly. Finish by verifying the fix. Force close Monkey, reboot your device, and reopen the app to test video. If the camera still fails, clear Monkey's cache or uninstall and reinstall to reset corrupted settings. Make sure to test the camera in another app. This tells you if it's a hardware or app issue. If all else fails, grant permissions again and consider OS updates. One key troubleshooting tip: if the camera works elsewhere but not in Monkey, reinstalling the app usually resolves lingering compatibility glitches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.